Most Excel users overthink formulas. Today, I'll show you smart shortcuts professionals use to create formulas faster. Okay, let's dive in. First, instant calculations with AutoSum and quick analysis. Select cell B10, this is where the result will appear. Now go to the Home tab, and click AutoSum. Press Enter, and Excel instantly calculates the total for you. But AutoSum doesn't stop at sum. Click the drop-down arrow, and choose Average, Count, Max, or Min. Then just press Enter. No formulas to type. Excel handles everything. For even faster insights, use the Quick Analysis tool. Simply select B2 through B9. Now, click the Quick Analysis icon, and open the Totals tab. Excel immediately previews sum, average, count, and more before you even click. This is a huge time saver for office professionals and students who need accurate results in seconds, not minutes. Next, let's insert a formula using the insert function dialog. This step is perfect for beginners, or anyone who doesn't want to memorize Excel formulas. Click any cell where you want the result. Now press Shift plus F3 to open the insert function dialog. In the insert function window, type if. Then click Go, or hit Enter. Select if, and hit OK. Now, notice what Excel does next. It explains exactly what the function is for, and walks you through every argument. The first argument is logical test. This is a condition that evaluates to true or false. In our example, the test is whether sales in B2 are greater than or equal to 1,000. Next is value if true. If that condition is met, Excel returns this result. Here, we'll type bonus. The final argument is value if false. If the condition fails, we return no bonus. Click OK, and that's it, the result appears instantly. Behind the scenes, Excel builds this formula for you. And that's it. Hit like, subscribe, and share with a friend who fears formulas. Comment your trickiest formula below, I'll cover it next. See you in the next video.